And then just wanted to show you real quick, HEB had got my attention. They had a rose gold display of women's stuff like makeup bags, pencil bags, eye masks, different things like that. Kind of women's, I don't know, trinket, toiletry, pampering, I don't know what you want to call it. And I had to get this. It's a rose gold glitter, and this is beautiful. It's got like almost like a rainbowy shimmer. You can see red, silver, gold, like copper, and it kind of gives it the illusion of being rose gold. This is so gorgeous. I thought it was a makeup case. It says pencil case, and it says love. So I just wanted to show you that that rose gold has been in, man, for a couple of years now. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you.